The major risks to this procedure, as with any surgical procedure, are hemorrhage and infection. Occasionally, injury to the foreskin and penis can result from this or any other surgical procedure.
Caring for a circumcised penis is really hard because you've got a new wound and a new little baby. So you have to protect it against infection and so on and so forth. An intact penis is very simple to take care of. In infancy, you wash the penis like you wash a finger. No one should retract the baby's foreskin. It doesn't need to be retracted. And in fact, you can't. It's attached to the head of the penis and somewhere between birth and puberty. These two structures will separate. And then a male can be taught to retract, rinse, and replace. Very simple.
Another argument to consider when trying to decide whether or not to circumcise your child is the issue of human rights. If in fact it is true, as previously documented, that the foreskin is a normal functioning part of the male anatomy, does a parent or guardian have the right to have it amputated, especially in the cases where aesthetics or the "I want my son to look like me" argument is the main reason? Do you as a parent or guardian own that right? Or is the choice one that your child should be able to make on his own behalf when he is old enough to make his own informed decision, thereby respecting the rights of the child to his own body?
Every person has certain rights just by the fact that they're alive. They don't have to do anything, they don't have to have any special status. Just because they're a person, they have rights, human rights. We believe that male circumcision violates some of those rights. For example, the right to bodily integrity and the right to protection. People understand these rights with regard to girls a little better than they do with boys, and I think part of the reason for that is that the female circumcision doesn't usually happen in the U.S. and the male circumcision practice does, and it seems familiar to us. It seems it doesn't hurt. It happened to me maybe, or it happened to my friend or my brother or my husband. It can't be anything bad, but in fact it is bad. It has a number of things that it does that really does, we believe, does cause harm. Taking something away from someone that they're going to be without forever, the only one who